Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then, tap on the menu icon that the three horizontal lines in the bottom right or top right corner. Then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Then, tap on Account Center, then choose Password and Security. And here, tap two-factor authentication and select the Facebook account you want to protect. And here you'll see three options: Authentication app, SMS, and WhatsApp. Choose your preferred method. If you haven't added a phone number yet, you'll be asked to do so. Enter your number, then tap Next. Facebook will send a verification code to your phone. Enter it and tap Next again. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.